everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be suggesting you 5 best Shopify theme for dropshipping. So Shopify offers several free themes for an ideal. Here are 5 of the best free Shopify theme for dropshipping. So then to begin with, you'll need to check your internet connection and then make sure to stick with us till the end of this video. So the first number one is Debut. So Debut is one of the most popular free theme on Shopify. It offers a clean and a simple design, making it perfect for various product category. It is highly customizable. It's mobile friendly, which is essential for dropshipping stores. Apart from it, you can also use Brooklyn. Now, Brooklyn is a free, modern, and responsible theme and a responsive theme. It's great for small catalog and single product stores. The theme is designed with mobile shopping in the mind and include several style options. Now, if you plan to offer a wide range of products, Supply is a free theme with a rugged design. It's perfect for business with large inventories. The theme is highly customizable and mobile responsive. Now, Narrative is another form. Now, it is an excellent choice if you want your product to tell a story. It is minimalist theme that focuses on visual and storytelling. It's perfect for niche stories with a specific brand or product message. And lastly, you have Venture. So Venture is a design for large inventories and is highly suitable for dropshipping business that want to advertise their product effectively. It mobilizes friendly and has a clean professional look. These themes can be easily installed and customized to create a unique professional dropshipping stores. Remember to choose a theme that aligns with your brand and the type of product you're selling. So these are the 5 best Shopify theme for dropshipping. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.